Hey, come here. Let me tell you something. 91% of you all watching my videos aren't subscribed. Hit that subscribe button and like this video to get an immense amount of generational wealth transferred to your family's royal estate. We thank you for your attention. Now, for those who've glimpsed the difference between law and equity, the temple of justice, where conscience was the key. Before the world spoke of courts, there was a sacred hall where every case began, not with evidence, but with the state of the heart. The Chancellors called it their temple, not because of stone or ritual, but because entering it meant stepping into the light. There, cleverness had no power. Deceit had no refuge. Only those with clean hands and pure hearts could proceed. It was not a courtroom. It was a conscience room. And every decree that issued from it was the reflection of a man purified by equity itself. Every court on earth demands procedure, but this temple, demanded purity. No man could plead deceit and expect remedy. No one could invoke justice while standing on falsehood. For equity's jurisdiction begins where duplicity ends. Imagine a place where justice wasn't proven by arguing back and forth, but revealed by alignment. Where truth didn't need witnesses because conscience was its own record. That was the court of conscience, the true foundation of chancery. It was not designed to punish the wicked, but to purify the willing. Because when your heart becomes clean, the law can no longer hold you. You rise above it. You move into a jurisdiction that recognizes trust, not transaction. Good faith, not force. Every maxim, every decree, every act of conscience, they aren't merely principles. They're mirrors. And the cleaner the reflection, the more clearly remedy appears. So if you wish to operate in true authority, don't begin by learning procedure. Begin by cleansing perception, by purifying motive, by studying not how to win, but how to be worthy to be seen by the court that still sits within you. So let it be known, the temple still stands, not in stone, but in spirit. Every time you quiet the noise of argument and listen for conscience, you enter its chambers. Every time you choose truth over tactics, equity opens her doors. And the work of purification begins, not through shame, but through refinement. Because to study equity is to polish the mirror of the heart. Each maxim removes a stain. Each precept restores reflection until the man himself becomes remedy, the living decree written by light instead of law. This is the privilege of the heir, to stand clean before conscience, and in doing so, to command the universe lawfully. So if you would rule as chancellor of your own estate, start here, in the only court that never closed. Study equity, cleanse the conscience, for only the pure in heart shall see remedy.